Let's do it.
I make.
Yes, please.
How many omelette?
Just for 50 rupee. So 2 eggs, right?
Yes. I know.
Look at this street. Look at this guy. Like he's making omelette in the street here, and it is breakfast time. As I said that earlier, time to get breakfast before we start exploring. And this is where he is. On the side of the streets, with all the chaos. Let's see what he's making. He put some spices there, some onions. Give it a beautiful mix there. How are you?
My
Good?
uncle. My uncle.
Uncle, how are you?
My father is big brother.
Ah.
Oh, my father is small. This big.
Ah, okay. Babaji. Babaji?
When you come in India?
I came in India a few days ago. Maybe
After
3-4 days ago.
How many days more stay?
I stay 1 month.
Only small time.
Yeah, I know. Very small time.
And after Delhi, where you go?
Look at the colors in this omelette though. After Delhi, I go Agra.
How?
How? I don't know. Train, bus, we'll see. Beautiful colors actually. That's the spices he added in and he threw in the toast.
Only you coming alone? Somebody with you?
No, alone.
So, my friend, I have my brother tourist office.
Ah, no, I don't need tourists.
If you need
I'm not a tourist.
Yeah, I know. But I tell you some information.
No, it's okay.
Don't put.
Oh no. Don't worry. I don't need agency.
So,
A very spontaneous breakfast. What drinks do you make? What is
I
this?
have a bottle.
Only water?
Yes.
Ah, okay. No problem. Very nice area. It is it is morning, so I need a breakfast before I kick off for the day. Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing though. We'll see. And then he turns it around. Okay. Perfect. Yeah, I don't want it too much cooked. This way is good. Beautiful. Thank you. Oh man, it's steaming hot. Okay. Oh, I can't hold it. Thank you. It's very hot. Alright, this is better. Let's give it a taste test.
Oh. We don't know you give him.
Alright, well, I'm asking the locals, hold it like this. Yeah. I'm asking the locals to help me with being my cameraman. It's steaming hot, by the way, but we're gonna dig in and give it a taste test. Look at it this way. Oh man, go hot. Wow.
Maggie, cigarette, pan.
But Mandi mein the flavors are amazing. Is that spiciness that he put in, that red thing? I don't know what it is.
Little
You
bit
can see it. What is the red?
Omelette.
No, the red thing here.
Chili,
Right?
Chili.
Yeah, it's very good.
Red
It's
chili.
very good. It gives it like extra flavor. Wow.
How about bread omelette, cigarettes?
Very good.
Thank you.
This, by the way, is 50 rupee, which is about, it's less than $1, like maybe about,
$1.
no, less,
No, one.
60, 70 cents.
Please, $1 is 15 piece. No more. Big. $2 $15.
It's not.
How we done?
He's wrong.
I'm not wrong, bro.
He's wrong.
Okay, you think I'm wrong, no problem.
So 50 rupees, $1?
Yes.
He's wrong.
Okay, no problem.
80 रुपए का भाई.
But since I'm with the locals, let's throw it on like that because it works better for me anyway. Anyway, we're gonna finish this and head over and explore. Chalo.
चलो.
Thank you, brother. All right, we're off. Somewhere center apparently. It's not far from here, but I'm taking a tuk-tuk. Why not?
बाबू लीवर के पास पहुंच गए थे सवारी लीवर से और आगे आ लीवर
Watch the tuk-tuk ride, man. It's chaotic. I could have walked, but the taxi driver is actually nice.
दुकानदारी का जल्दी जा
And I'm new in Delhi, and I'm just like, I just want to assess the situations here. What's it like? It's madness. It's complete madness. And I love it.
Oh, there's another omelette here. To see everything.
We made it somewhere in Delhi. It is the center of Delhi, so we're gonna go into the park and check it out. That's where the tuk-tuk driver dropped me. You can see it from here. Very nice, very modernized actually. It's not really what you would expect here in Delhi. And there's the park we're gonna go in a minute. Just trying to get to the gate, and then we'll explore it together. Then afterwards, I'll probably go to like a main kind of attraction not far from here. I'll make a walk there, and we'll probably then put it into this video. I don't know what this video about, so it just happens spontaneously. But we're out exploring. We are at the park. Wow, very nice. Have a look.
Wow. There's like a stage here, and these are like seats. There's a big Indian flag. Unfortunately, it's not windy at the moment. And beautiful flowers there. Nice sceneries, very misty as well. Amazing. Very nice, like all the locals are hanging around. It's a good day for it too.